with colors. Hi friends, today let's learn how to draw capsicums. Capsicums, also known as bell peppers, is a vegetable like broccoli, carrots and lemons. The capsicum looks so beautiful. This capsicum also has legs. And here are the hands. Isn't it funny? This capsicum has hands, legs and face. For more beautiful drawing and coloring videos, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's start drawing another capsicum. Do you see the blinking blue eyes of the capsicum? If you also wish to color these capsicums, you can go in the description box and download this image from the link. Let's draw the hands and the legs of this capsicum. Do you see a train on the top of image? Where is it going? Now, let's draw the third capsicum, the last one. Do you like capsicums? Look how funny they are. They are smiling at us. If you wish to color these capsicums, you can download the image from the link given in the description box. These capsicums have lovely colorful eyes. They are blinking. Wow! Who loves balloons? It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors. Now let's do coloring. I'm putting black color in the legs, hands, eyebrows and the tongue. Here, I will color the stem with green color. The sun is up. It's a bright sunny day. Can you tell me which color is this? Correct! This is green color. We will color the capsicum with green color. Do you see a train going on the top of the image? That's so funny! Let's keep coloring the capsicum with green color. Can you tell me what color is that? Yes, it's red color. Let's color the second capsicum with red color. What is your favorite color? Do you know bell peppers come in different colors? This is green color, another one is red color, and there's also yellow color. Now let's color the third bell pepper with yellow color. Do you see the blinking eyes of the two bell peppers? They look so cute. The capsicums are ready. For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon. Bye.